Are you looking for the best motorcycle helmet cameras in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best motorcycle helmet cameras that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GoPro CHDHS102. If you prefer a motorcycle helmet camera that is small and compact, then the GoPro CHDHS102 is an excellent choice. Moreover, it also has an excellent built construction that makes it very durable and long-lasting. Above all, you get versatility in video recording with this helmet camera. Indeed, it can record a wide range of video resolutions from 1440p to 720p depending on your need. At 720p, it can record with a blazing 100 fps for better smooth video playback. But one of the best features of this model is that you can control it by voice. You do not need remote control or to physically interact with this camera. Simply speak, and it will start recording. Installation is extremely easy, and this model uses a flat adhesive mount that can be used to install on universally any type of helmet. However, keep in mind that this adhesive mount is not the strongest we have seen, and it may require reinforcement. Additionally, when compared with other products with almost similar features, the GoPro CHDHS102 is quite expensive. But it remains an excellent video camera for motorcycle helmets, especially for those who require a small and compact camera. Moving on at number 4. We have the Polaroid Cube Plus Wi-Fi Lifestyle Action Camera. Polaroid is a well-known name in film, but their reach has soared over the years as they've added more high-tech products to their collection. This camera has a unique and fun look to it, and strays from the typical action camera aesthetic. It's super easy to attach to any helmet, but you will need to get the helmet mount before doing so. It uses image stabilization technology to ensure that your photos are not too shaky or distorted to watch after you film. It can record up to 107 minutes of footage, so it would not be a good choice for someone who wants to film super long adventures. It is weatherproof, so it will hold up in most situations. The lens is 124 degrees, allowing for a wide-angle view of your surroundings. The camera is Wi-Fi enabled, and works with micro SD cards for up to 128 GB. At number 3. We have the GoPro Hero 7. The GoPro Hero 7 is the gold standard when it comes to motorcycle helmet cameras. This model is one of the smallest motorcycle helmet cameras that money can buy. And despite its small and compact form factor, it features a superior image and video stabilization. This motorcycle helmet camera can take different types of photos. It can automatically apply HDR, tone mapping, as well as noise reduction to improve pictures shot in low-light conditions. When it comes to video, it is quite versatile and comes with many modes like time-lapse videos, or it can increase the speed by 30x to get an interesting video effect. Of course, this model is fully waterproof as well as weatherproof. You can use it outside of your helmet without the risk of damage. Also, depending on your need, you can purchase it in different configurations like the micro SD card or battery charger, etc. And lastly, what we like about this model is that it comes with a small LCD screen. You will get all your information from the screen, which makes it extremely easy and convenient to use. The only real problem we have with this model is its very high price. But if the price is not an issue, then get this motorcycle helmet camera right now. At number 2, we have the Campark ACT74. The Campark ACT74 is almost the same thing as in the Dragon Touch that we just reviewed above. One of its distinctive features is that it is extremely beginner-friendly. If you have never used or installed a motorcycle helmet camera before, this model is an excellent choice. Despite recording in full 4K at 30 fps, this model is its long battery life of 180 minutes. This is outstanding. In order to achieve this, you get 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries with this purchase. And for better aesthetic convenience, you have the possibility to purchase it in 3 different colors to match the color scheme of your motorcycle helmet. Not to mention it's also waterproof, weatherproof, and can even be used underwater if you wish. Very versatile. The only problem we have with this model is its poor audio quality. But all things considered, this model remains one of the best motorcycle helmet cameras that you can purchase. And finally at number 1. We have the Akaso EK7000. What makes the Akaso EK7000 one of the best motorcycle helmet cameras on the market is its versatility and ease of use. This model comes with a very handy remote control. Indeed, you simply install the remote control around your wrist, just like a regular watch, and you can control the camera at a distance. Whether you want to take a picture, a video, or change from burst photo to time-lapse, you can do it from the remote control. This camera can capture high-quality videos in 4K at 25 fps. It can also do 2.7K at 30 fps if you want to save a little bit of battery life. It also comes with a handy remote control, so you don't have to touch the camera. This helmet camera comes with a complete installation kit, so you will be able to install it on your motorcycle helmet, or any other helmet with ease. Best of all, it has a built-in Wi-Fi module so you can share it with your smartphone, tablet, or computer with ease. The only issue we take with this camera is that the price could have been a little bit more competitive. Especially considering the competition that has almost similar features for a lower price. Also, this model overheats a little bit with extensive use. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.